Hi, welcome to the Blackbaud Ninja channel. On this video today, I'm going to go over how to customize the homepage for other users in your organization. So if you know, for example, like for your fundraisers, whenever they sign in, you want them to see certain tiles and you want to be able to customize them exactly how you want them to see those tiles, you can actually do that in this area. So on the homepage, you'll go to Customize Page and you're going to customize. If you're doing it for the first time, you'll click Customize My Page. And then you can come in and select which things you want them to see. So if maybe they don't need to see events, but you want them to be able to see the appeal tracker, the campaign tracker, maybe you have a few favorite queries that you've set up for them that you want them to have easy access to. So you can click that. Fundraiser performance, actions that are assigned to them. If you wanted to do an opportunity snapshot, any recent gifts, and maybe year-over-year fundraising. And then we're going to click Save. So once you have gotten it how you want it to be structured, you're going to go to Manage, Save, Current Homepage Layout, and I'm going to say Fundraiser Homepage. And I'm going to save that. And you can also, before you save it, if you needed to come in, which it looks like in here, I would probably need to. If there are certain campaigns that I would want to add in here so that it's showing the correct campaigns, showing the correct appeals, you would come into the settings, and really just kind of configure what you would like to display for the actions. If you wanted to just show meetings, you could do that. And it would display in your favorite queries, depending on if you have certain queries that you have favorited. So if you're in the analysis area in query, you click on the ellipsis and click Add to Favorites. And then you just have to tell it which query folder to display. So we'll go back to favorite queries. Mine were in the general. So I might just remove these. And then now it's going to display my favorite query. And then we have the snapshot of opportunities. If I was set up as a fundraiser and there were actions assigned to me, that would show up there. If I want to pull in some year-over-year fundraising, and then you can also configure how this is displaying as well. So once you kind of get it how you like it, you want to save that. And then we'll go to manage, and then we're going to, if we want to see what they currently have on their homepage, we could review it first. So if I wanted to see what's on this person's page currently, I could see that, and then the last time that it was updated. But to actually publish it and push these changes to their page, I would go to Update, Home Pages for Users, and then I would search for the users. If there's multiple ones, I would select them, click Select, and then you would click Update. I currently don't have the right security settings in the sandbox, but this would be blue, and then you would click Update, and it will push those changes. And that's how you can update the homepage for other users in RE NXT.